Hey, Friday the 13th of March. So Friday the 13th, we're going to go out and get some Friday the 13th video. We're heading out now. We don't know where we're going. We don't know how long we'll be out. We're just heading out. Right now, my overall outline is to head north right now, stay out tonight and tomorrow night, and then maybe end up at my daughter's Sunday night for Sunday, Monday, maybe be back over here at Frank's Tuesday. I don't know. I may be back here tonight. I just don't know. So ride along and help me find out where we at and end up what we do. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're as confused as ever, or maybe not confused. We just take it as it comes, one way or another, left or right at Oak Street. Fuel range is 415 miles. 17.9 miles per gallon average. Average speed 31.4. Total mileage right now 176,355. We've been 120.6 since we filled up. Yeah, and cars come around these curves like a bunch of wild Indians. That's probably not appropriate, huh? Oh well. There's a lot about me that's not appropriate, unfortunately, I guess, or fortunately, whatever. Whichever way you want to take it. And I'm having trouble with this. Yeah, so the camera's already cut off once. We'll have to combine these two. We're going to head north. That's about all I know to tell you right now. Whether we're going to cut over to the loop and go up 29 or 106, or whether we're going to head straight to 85 and go up 85. It'll be a lot quicker. May head to my son's place for tonight. I don't know yet. I've already said that, haven't I? Doggone it, I forgot about this thing Saturday too. I wanted to be here for Saturday, tomorrow. Southern Fried Rides has their annual March burnouts and stuff. That's usually a good video thing. Barbecue, beer and burnouts, music. We could stay out tonight and come back. I don't know. I forgot all about that. Yes, Bobby usually has a good time for all up here. You got some interesting vehicles up there right now. We may go ahead and wrap this one up. We're about to sit here a minute before we can get out. Okay, we'll start it back up. Let's see, the temperature. We got to charge this thing up. Battery's about dead. Charging, recording, uploading. It's all I can do to keep 4 phones fully functional. I don't guess I do keep them fully functional. But using 4 different phones, I still have trouble trying to keep everything operational. Plug in. Leaving out already early, late, 10:25. What's the temperature? 45? 45, going up to 62 today, 36 tonight, 73, 44 tomorrow night, 70 and 50 Sunday night. Be pretty cool out tonight. Oh well. If we stay in a state park, we'll have our heater and power. US Highway 129 north, alternate 15. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off and wrap it up. Hey, we got a locomotive going down the track, don't we? We'll catch it, then we will turn it off. Where are you going? CSX 3157. He's probably headed to Gainesville to pick up some cars, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap.